Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Let's learn colors. Pink color, dark green color, dark blue color, grey color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, yellow color, black color, red color. Hello friend, let's start today's video. Today we are going to learn the number. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 1 hard, 1 hard, 2 hard, 1 and 2. Number 3, 1, 2 and 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 4 and 4 hearts. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 5 and 5 hard. Let's start coloring. Number 1 hard. Let's color with red color. 1 number and 1 hard. Number 2 and 2 hearts. Let's color with orange color. Number 2, number 1 hard and 2 hard. Number 3 and 3 hard. Let's color with pink. 1, 2 and 3. Number 4 and 4 hard. Let's color with dark pink. Number 4, 1 hard, 2 hard, 3 hard and 4 hard. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 and 5 hearts. Let's color with sky blue. Number 1 hard, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Let's read it again. 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts, 4 hearts, 5 hearts. For more such video, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.